keep my balance. Huh?
Thank God you had your door in there. Well, all of a sudden the motor starts going ding, ding, ding. I was like, okay, shut it off.
Well, you'll see the mount too. When I was taking it here, the mount started falling apart. I was glad I had a drill and some wood on me at the time. Started rotting away.
That's not good.
No.
Yeah, a little gas can. I didn't have a tank or anything. We had the tank, but I didn't have it when I was getting the motor to fire up. The carburetor was stuck. The fuel pump was stuck. Now, I don't know if the keel's up or not.
I think it's down.
We're ready to find out. Yeah, we're about to find out. Right. I don't even know how it's going to fit on here, but.
Uh-oh,
Get out of the way. I could have crushed your pelvis. Another foot.
Need to go out that far? Thought I was gonna make it up.